Hi, Andrea here, Barkau Automotive in Stockton, Illinois, and I would like to tell you about the great deals we're having this month on our 2018 Chevrolet pickup trucks. First, the 2018 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD LTZ trucks are over $8,000 off MSRP. The 2018 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD High Country trucks are also all over $8,000 off MSRP. Now, if you love a discount, you will want to take advantage of the 2018 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT trucks. They are all over $10,000 off MSRP. This deep ocean blue 2018 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT is a 4-door crew cab with 4-wheel drive.
It has
6-speed automatic transmission, V8, 8-cylinder, with backup camera,
an Apple CarPlay,
8-inch touchscreen, Sirius XM radio, remote start, heated seats, Bluetooth, and OnStar. So come to Barkau Automotive in Stockton, Illinois, and come take one of these 2018 Chevrolet Silverado trucks for a test drive today. We'll see you soon.